Jeez, guys. Unbelievable. I'm actually getting rained on. I'm going to have to do this for a while before it helps the races, but it's better than nothing. Hopefully they start this back to me in a minute, so we'll let them go for a while. Finally crossed back, and I didn't get him on video, but we'll see. Just about where that grass starts across up there. See that green cedar? On past that, across the path up there someplace, or right in that area. I just got a glimpse of him. A little shower didn't help the scent conditions, obviously, but at least it cooled it, keeping it cool. Some ways this has got to be as frustrating to the hounds as it is to the hound keeper. I mean, you all can see that that's the kind of stuff, that cracked, dried mud, baked. That's what they're trying to run it on, even under the trees. That time Bonnie tried to get this going for him again in there. She was getting a pretty good nose full of it when she got it up, but There it is. Goodness gracious. Let's see if that's the one they're running. That one come out right there. I mean, we're talking 12 feet from me, guys. Again, that's a 2/3 grown bunny. Yep, they're sure not leaving much scent.